I have a few new features to show you, all of which are available for Divi 5 today. Let me jump straight to it. First, we added a new page manager in the builder, allowing you to add, duplicate, delete, and edit any page on your website. If you are a Divi Power user, you no longer have to leave the builder to work on your entire site. You can stay in the zone rather than navigating through the dashboard. It's really convenient. Next, we added a new in-app preview mode. Clicking Preview will hide all UI elements, giving you a clear view of what your page will look like on the front end. It's easy to bounce in and out of preview mode by clicking the period key whenever you want to get a glance at your finished design. You'll also notice that the top bar looks different. We consolidated all icons into a new page-level menu and added keyboard shortcuts for each. Everything is available here, along with some new options such as a list of recently opened pages for quick access. Don't worry, if you miss the icons, you can add them back via the Builder Settings panel. Divi 5 makes navigating your design and understanding its structure a breeze thanks to the Layers panel, Breadcrumbs, and Wireframe view, and different action icon modes. Well, we added one more way to navigate your content. You'll find a new drill down icon at the end of Breadcrumbs, letting you easily travel downward into child elements. Also, here's a quick tip you probably didn't know about. You can drill up and down through your content using the arrow keys. Left and right navigate to parents and children, and up and down navigate to adjacent elements within the container. You never need to struggle to click on a particular element. There are so many ways to navigate. These new features are available for Divi 5 today. Give them a try and let us know your thoughts. We rebuilt Divi from the ground up and packed it full of dozens of your most requested features. Forget everything you thought you knew about Divi, because Divi 5 is something else entirely. In case you missed it, we recently released the Preset Manager, Preset Preview, and Preset and Variable Import and Export. Now you can manage all your presets from one location, edit them, and view changes in a new preset previewer without disrupting your page content and design flow. We also added the ability to import and export your website's presets and variables, making it easy to jumpstart new websites with a specific set of each. There's a link in the video description to learn more. Thanks for watching, and before you go, I have one favor to ask. If you are a Divi user, please subscribe to this channel. It only takes one click. These videos are the best way to keep up to date with the latest and greatest Divi features, and they are the perfect way to get up to speed before updating your websites. Thanks, and I'll see you soon for another Divi 5 feature announcement, which I promise is right around the corner.